Hello guys, it's been a while. So right now I got this new guitar. It's not brand new, but it's from my friend. Look at that. I wanted this to be a project guitar. The plan is it's either we're going to change the entire neck or um, take off the stickers. Then there's loads of sharp edges here, and the action is too high. There you go. But even though it's high, you can still manage to play some stuff here. So let's put it on bypass mode, just sound of the guitar. That's the neck pickup. Then neck and middle pickup. And then middle pickup. Then middle and bridge. And bridge pickup. So as you can tell, it's really a cheap one in terms of pickup. And then another issue is the string tree. There you go. It's too low, but we can rectify that one. And then another thing, I took the whammy from here because it got stuck. It's too hard to remove because it was left here, and the owner of this guitar, my friend Dave, he kept this guitar for a long time. He said it's like 5 years just in a cupboard, so, or under the bed. I mean, it's probably not entirely 5 years, but for a long time he hasn't touched the guitar and just left it there. So I had difficulty removing the whammy bar. I got a spare whammy bar, I put it on and it is no problem. I think that one, it's either it's got a loose thread. Now let's do this. Let's play something with this guitar. Even though the action, I just tuned it, and then the way the strings was put, look, it's like there's one going down, then the rest are on top. Okay. But we can always rectify that one. The main issues I got is this one's too sharp, too high the action, and the pickup, because there's already noise. But the sound, especially if I put reverb to it, it's nice. You know what? This was just pure accident. The E minor scale, I think, the one that was put here, and then the loop that I did was just G A minor, and then was the right scale for our jam. So let's do it again. So um, this is the finished product. I removed the stickers, and then I cleaned the fretboard, and then I sort of adjust the nut a little bit, and then tidy the strings. I retained the string tree. Was planning to change it, but I think it has its purpose. It needs to pull the string down a bit, that curve there, so that's why it's low. It's a bit low. Right. I'm not a guy who set up a guitar. I wish I could, but I just know a little bit, and I just did a maintenance, like clean the fretboard, apply some oil. I sort of file a bit the sharp edges here, so it's gone now. There's no more sharp edges, so you can run the fret nicely, smoothly. And then the intonation is quite alright, but I did try to lower the action, but there's a buzz on the 15th, I think. Hence I put it a bit higher again. Not as high as before, but it's still high for me. And it's much more nicer to play. We're on bypass at the moment. Here. So that's it, guys. This is the newly cleaned and maintained, what do you call it, set. It's not really a setup, so I won't use that term. It's just been cleaned, actually polished. So yeah, this Strat copy, and it sounds great. So see you soon. Bye for now. Please subscribe, everyone. Thank you.